Arrived here at SCD Performance in Brendale, Queensland, just north of Brisbane. Brought the little baby up to get a bit of work done, ready for the lap next year. And I'm just here with Dan from SCD Performance.
Hey,
and
everybody.
Hey Dan, what am I doing?
Today on Glenn's 1500, we are going to be doing a GVM upgrade. So it includes the Outback Kitter by Radflo suspension. So that is adjustable front and rear. We've got the king springs going on the rear as well, extra heavy duties because we will be turning it into a GVM. So that brings it from 3495 to 3795 total GVM. Also putting some airbags in the rear as well, just to help him with the towing to get along too. So looking forward to it. It'll be about 2 days work. Probably do some fender flares in the future as well. But it's going to look awesome. It's going to be a great bit of kit.
So good, so good. Thanks Dan. It's, I'll give you the key to my little baby and it's all yours, and it's going to look great. So yeah, if you need a GVM upgrade to put the tinny on the top for the lap, it's the place to come.
Awesome.
So,
thanks guys.
Thanks for that. Wow, here we are at Murchison Products here in Brendale, Queensland, just north of Brisbane, and got a little fashion accessory for the Ram. And I've got Stuart here, the owner of the business. Stuart, what have I done?
What have we got today? So this is our adventure rack for the Ram 1500 and 2500 platforms. The rack itself's all made right here in Brendale. We use a billet foot mount there, which all gets welded and fabricated together for all the bracing internally. 3-inch tubes, 4.7 wall thickness, very heavy duty, very well constructed, all beautifully hand TIG welded as well.
Looks beautiful.
Nice little handles to help grab up, get up high if you're loading stuff and packing stuff, or taking stuff off the roof, of course. You've got these removable crossbars as well. So they come in a 1500 or a 1650 wide format. These are the wider ones. And we've also got 2 different spigot heights for the crossbars as well. So these are the taller 60s. We do a half height 30 as well. Reason being is that the half height 30s will actually match up a lot better with a Rhino platform as well. Same with this guy here. So that's actually the backbone or back brace for the whole system. So that's a full 5mm single alloy sheet folded. There's no welding in that one. It's basically a backbone for the system. So it provides lateral support, strength, rigidity as well. So you can't run the hoops without that because you don't want to damage the mounts in your tub, etc. So this is the Rambox version, specifically made so it suits this guy, but we do the exact same version, which essentially looks exactly the same, for the non-Rambox version as well. Being alloy, it's a lot better for corrosion resistance. It's a lot lighter, that's why we don't do them in steel. We've also got a nice protection sort of screen here. So if you're putting a whole lot of gear in the back there and you take a bit of a tumble off road or have to hit the brakes pretty hard, at least it's not going to go careering through the cab as well. Yeah, great product, all Australian made right here in Brendale. This one also, has the rear floodlights or work lights. So these are our top of the range base 6 with the 10 watt Cree chips in them. And they've also got the diffuser lens, so it's a nice wide, whitewash of light, I guess, being a work light for the back of the tub as well. They're the new rack support mounts as well that go up and under. And actually inside that cavity behind the tail light is a whole bunch of extra supports and braces and T-nuts, etc. that hold everything down. So yeah, lovely product, very proud of it.
Magnificent.
This guy here, that's your AV snorkel that you're going to have fun installing.
Yep.
So
Go do some cutting.
This is from AEV in America. So it's all American made. It's not Chinese or imported or anything like that. It's a very technical product. AEV being a premium top end brand, they take a long time to develop and release products. This one was initially designed to flow enough air for the 6.7 turbo Cummins and the 2500 at full volume, full weight, full towing capability, without starving the engine of oxygen. So it's more than capable of flowing enough air for the 5.7 Hemi or the 6.4 Power Wagon, or even here in Australia we do a lot of the 5.7 Harrop supercharged vehicles with these snorkels on them, and they're still putting out 500 at the wheels on a dyno, which is absolutely sensational.
Yeah.
200 Newton meters extra, all the jazz.
Yep.
That tube there is a very strange and expensive looking product. It's molded extremely specifically to get into the engine bay on certain angles for the way that it's installed, and that gets you into the airbox through the chassis. And then for the ASV converted Australian Rams, you've got to do a little bit of a custom sort of cut and paste just to seal off the airbox. It's not too much of a hard work. It's a bit technical, but it's not hard.
No, it should be
so
right.
A lot of people do that all around the country.
Fantastic.
Yeah.
Well, no, she's looking good. Thank you very much.
Yeah. Beautiful looking system. I'm sure you're gonna have fun with it.
Yeah. I understand Sam did some of the work.
Yes, yeah. Sambo did some
Most
good work
work
on this one as well.
Yep.
Got it all installed lovely
And
as
you
usual.
helped as well.
Yeah.
So yeah, it's it's absolutely amazing.
It is, yeah.
It's got a nice little MP badge, all cut out. So much quality in that.
It is, yeah. Another thing too, sorry, I didn't point out that the actual recesses in the tube and the feet are specifically designed so you can actually hide all of your wiring in the tube. So it drops down into the cavity. That way it's clean and neat on the install, and you don't have external wires, you know, zippy tied down or whatever. We've seen that in the past, and yeah, it doesn't look neat. So we like to do something a lot higher quality than that. So yeah.
There you go. If you want a rack for your Ram, and this one's going to be building a boat loader for a tinny that we'll be carrying on top for our next big trip. It's absolutely amazing. So quality. It's
Absolutely.
it just,
Well, you enjoy your trip.
Looks great.
And have fun.
Thank you, sir.
Thanks for coming up to see us. We appreciate it.
Yeah. Here she comes. She's backing out of SCD here, and doesn't it look good? Nice 2-inch lift. Sitting on some king coils. Certainly the vehicle to take on the big lap. It's got the Outback Kitters shocks, king coils.
King coils, the Radflo remote resis, Outback Kitters one, so our brand made by Radflo for us. We've also done GVM Upgrade, so we've welded the bloody rear axle up for you to strengthen that, and
Excellent.
done the airbags just coming out at the rear for you. So happy days. Dislocation with the airbags as well, so when you do flex up, they're going to pop straight back in for you.
Oh, nice.
Happy days all around.
Nice. She looks good. So here we are, SCD Performance, Brendale, Queensland. Got Grant, mate. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Enjoy.
Thank you.
Enjoy your travels.
I will.
Drive safe.
Perfect
Thanks, mate.
vehicle. Thanks, Grant. Doesn't she look good? Wow. There you go. A couple of days. It's been here at SCD, and it's been over to Murchison Products for the rack. And got a few more little things to add to it yet. I've got the snorkel. I've got the flares. Got some spotties to go on. Picked up a set of dash switches, so I'll show you those. I'll seal all that up, do all the electrical for all the switches for all the different lights. Yeah, for now, she's good. About to head back to Newcastle. Well guys, thanks for watching. Hopefully it's given you some inspiration of what you can do to your Ram, places to go to get all the bits. Thanks guys.